Okay, this is Chapter 4A handout that was given in class, question number 13. It is a word problem. President of the Community Orchestra reported that receipts for the last concert totaled $916 and that 560 people attended. So two things we know. 560 people generated $916 in ticket sales, which ticket sales tells us how many people actually attended the concert. If student tickets cost $1.25 per ticket and non-student tickets cost $2.25 per ticket, how many students and non-students attended the concert? Question mark. So I want to actually determine the number of students and the number of non-students attending the concert. So I'm going to let them equal X and Y. X is the number of students attending, and Y is the number of non-students attending. Okay, we do have some information here. We know that in total 560 people attended. What does that mean? 560 people attend. I have a variable for the students attending and a variable for the non-students attending. That means that 560 is the number of students attending and the number of non-students attending. In addition, the $960 is the total sales, and that's the sales of the student tickets, and the non-student tickets. So student sales, how much did I generate from these students attending? Well, each ticket for students cost them $1.25, and I had X students attend. That's the total sales that I get from the students. And the total sales that I get from the non-students is $2.25Y. Two equations, two unknowns, solve a system. Let's write them over again. We've got 960. It's not 960. I'm just going back and look, 916. Make a correction there before I go any further. This is 916. This is 916. This is 916. That didn't work out right. 916. Okay, make that correction and move forward. They looked just too much the same, so I went back and looked at my numbers. 916. 916 equals 1.25 x plus 2.25 y. Also, 560 equals x plus y. Okay? You know what? I am going to use substitution. I am going to solve for, let's see. Let's solve for x, which means I'm going to move y to the other side. So this becomes x on the right side equals 560 minus y. Can't do much more with that. In knowing that now, these are my two equations. X is equal to 560 minus y. Those are equal. So in this equation, instead of using x, I'm going to use this expression for y. When I do that, I will get one equation with one unknown. So I have 916 equals $1.25 x plus 2.25 y. So instead of putting an x in there, I'm going to put in 560 minus y. I'm not going to multiply through by 100 here. I can to get through the decimals, but I kind of see what's going to happen here. I need to multiply 125 times 560. I'm just doing that on my calculator. I get 700. So I want to distribute this $1.25. So 1.25 times 560 is 700 minus 1.25y plus 2.25y. This is $2.25 y minus $1.25 y. What happens there is I only have one y left, which is nice. Something doesn't seem right. This is not negative y. This is larger, so the answer is positive. It's positive y. And I was looking ahead and saw that I was going to get a negative y answer, and that doesn't make any sense. So 916 minus 700 is 216. I think there are 216 non-student tickets. And I'm going to put it in this equation here, back to 560. 560 plus, equals x plus y. 560 equals x plus 216. Solve for x. That gives me $244. I'm going to check that math on my calculator. It's $344. $344. So let's just check this. I put it in the number equation. Let's check the receipts. 916 equals $1.25 times 344 tickets sold plus $2.25 times 216 tickets sold. This is definitely where you'll need the calculator. This comes up to be $430. And this one comes up to be $486. So 430 plus 486 is checking is 916. Excellent. Excellent. So there were 344 students and 216 non-students who attended the concert. That's a solution.